Thank you for visiting Learn Japanese with Yoko-sensei channel. In this video, I'll introduce you to the Japanese Tutorial 101 course, which is taught by Yoko-sensei and designed for beginners and JLPT N5 test takers. I'll guide you through the course structure, how to navigate the lessons, and how to make the most of the videos on this channel. This course includes grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. There are 48 lessons in total, each carefully designed to help you build a solid foundation by Yoko-sensei. Whether you're preparing for the JLPT N5 or just starting out, this course will guide you step by step through all the key concepts you'll need to know. This course is perfect for complete beginners or anyone preparing for the JLPT N5 exam. If you're just starting your Japanese language journey or need a solid review of the basics, this course will give you the foundation you need. It's also ideal if you're looking to improve your Japanese skills for everyday conversations or future studies. To start your learning journey, go to YouTube channel Learn Japanese with Yoko-sensei and click Playlist. Then choose Japanese Tutorial 101 Lessons _ Basic Japanese Course. This playlist includes all 48 lessons, each covering a key aspect of the Japanese language. The video you're watching right now is just the beginning. From here, you can move on to the following lessons at your own pace. Each lesson builds on the previous one, so following the order will help you gradually improve your skills. At the end of each lesson, you'll find a link to guide you to the next lesson, making it easy to continue your progress. Or automatically the next lesson starts if you wait. If you want to go to a specific topic or grammar, you can scroll down and select one. But Yoko-sensei recommends that you should learn from the beginning in order first. To get the most out of this course, Yoko-sensei recommends completing 1 to 2 lessons per day. This pace will help you make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. It's important to go at your own pace, but consistency is key. Also, make sure to regularly review what you've learned. Reinforcing the material helps solidify your understanding and makes it easier to remember in the long run. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in basic Japanese grammar and vocabulary, enabling you to have simple conversations and understand everyday Japanese. You'll also be well prepared to confidently take the JLPT N5 exam, with the skills and knowledge to succeed. Completing this course will give you the confidence to continue your Japanese language journey. For a more organized experience, you can visit our website at yokosenseinc.com. There, you'll find each lesson clearly displayed with detailed descriptions and materials to help you stay on track with your studies. It's easy to see exactly where you are in the course. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. Yoko-sensei will be happy to help you. Once you've completed this course, there will be videos available for you to test your skills. These tests will help you gauge your progress, and more test videos will be added regularly, so make sure to check back. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create even more content for you to learn from. Thank you for learning with us.